Hello, today I learned about a nuance with Python variables that I thought I'd share. And so, if I set x here to equal to 1, or I'm sorry, the list with an element of 1, and then I make a copy of that list, then if I check the IDs, you can see the IDs are the same. That part I know. And if you're just making a reference to another object, then those are both referencing the same object. Um, However, if I look at the elements of that list in each one, they're both the same here. They both have 1. But then if I run this command, which is like I'm adding the element of 2 to that list with the kind of a standard x equals x plus, and then the element of that list. If I look at those IDs again, the x changed, but we did not bring along the copy of x. It did not update that one, which I thought was interesting. And now you can see here down below, x is equal to the update, the copy of x is not. And so the interesting nuance there is if I come over to this tab, I have the same things in here. But instead of doing the x equals x plus an element of 2, I'm using the shorthand, which is x plus equals the list element of 2. And in that way, you can see that it did bring x, the copy of x, along for the ride, and we have the same object was updated. X did not create a new object. X just updated that reference, and then the copy of x did as well. And so you can see both of those objects here were updated, and they both have the same reference. And of course, normally when you add elements to a list, you'll probably do an append anyway. So maybe that's not a great example, but just the nuance of using x equals x plus versus x plus equals, the behavior of that is different. It's not just shorthand. So in Python anyway. Thought that was interesting. Wanted to share. If you have something to share, hit us up in the community, DevCentral at f5.com, and we'd love to share that on our weekly live stream, DevCentral Connects, at 12:30 Pacific every week. Have a good one.